Welcome back to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing a couple of night lights. I'm going to resin them. Here's one that I have taped off. Sorry about the lighting. It's a wave. I'm going to be maybe putting these sprinkles for the splash. This is what they look like. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the flat part out. I didn't have a screwdriver, so I just taped it off. Got these on Amazon. Comes in a 4-pack. The materials I'm using, I had some sea glass, all different kinds of crushed glass. I use this. I'm going to use this to tint the resin just a little bit. It's transparent. I used clear pour epoxy hardener, 50-50 with the clear pour epoxy resin. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish getting set up. Mix me some resin and I'll be back. Alright, I'm ready to go. I did change my resin to Cudio. This is better because I'm doing a thinner pour. I'm not doing molds. The other one was more for molds, so. And I did add these little miniatures. I'm going to go ahead and use clear over these that I painted, hand painted. Put some shells on those. I'm ready for, I'm going to go ahead and put seashells on this one. I did a wave over here. I'm not sure, I'm going to put some seashells down here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any splash on here with the small pieces of glass. I don't know. I'm still going to put the starfish up here. And I think some starfish up here also. But first I want to make sure that my design of the wave stays. Well, I tinted this very lightly. Okay, let's go. I'm going to just drizzle it over. Everything should be taped really well. I'm afraid to heat this because this is actually plastic that I'm pouring on. I'm using this for a tint. It's very transparent. One more drop. You have to stir it really well because it'll bunch up on you if you don't. I am gonna have to hit it really quick with my torch. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish. Made way too much resin. But I do have some molds over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some resin in these and put some shells in these. I have a little tip too before I forget. On your resin, always mark the lids. This is A right here, because if you take both lids off and you don't know what one goes on what, it'll dry like that, then you won't be able to get the lid off. Most of them aren't marked, so it's a good idea to do that. I like using little resin pieces because some of them are very thin, to help level out my work. If I see something that's unlevel, I can just, I'm going to put this like that. You can tell which way the resin is flowing. Don't want to do it too thick. I use a lot of sticks also, but when you need something pretty thin, thinner than a stick, resin pieces are perfect. Okay, I will bring you back tomorrow and we'll take the tape off, clean it up, see what's left. And I'm getting some on the sides. Yeah, I'll do some cleanup and I'll use the rest of my resin. I'll be back. I'll see you tomorrow. It's the next day and I took all the tape off. I'm really loving how these turned out. Yeah, the tape was easy to come off too, so I think these would be great gifts. I might be putting Kona right here. These will probably go into the marketplace where I sell all my art. These also turned out really cute. I'll just put a chain or a leather strap as a necklace. Then these, I had extra resin, so I made these. It's a Christmas ornament. This, I'm not sure if I want to just paint the hole in the back blue and use them as magnets or a necklace. I haven't decided. So I'm going to plug these in real quick so you can see them lit up. Turn off the lights. Hopefully it'll come on. Go ahead and cover up that hole. There we go. Cute. All right. Loving it. Check out my Amazon shop. I'll have these night lights in there for a link, or you can look at my whole shop to see a lot of the materials that I use. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it if you would comment. Take care. Let me get this out first while you're watching. Here we go. Christmas ornament. Thanks so much. Aloha.